If you think becoming wealthy requires luck, being born rich, or having powerful connections, this video is about to change your mindset forever, because today, we're revealing 7 investment secrets from self-made billionaires. Secrets that were never taught in school, university, or even most courses. What's interesting is that most of these billionaires started from absolute zero, no inheritance, no backup plan. Just one major difference from everyone else: they knew how to think and how to invest. So stay until the end, because secret number 7 is the most dangerous one. And most people never become wealthy simply because they don't understand it. Secret 1. Invest in your mind before investing money. Self-made billionaires invest in their minds. Long before they invest a single dollar, they read, learn, fail, analyze, and improve. They understand one truth: without the right mindset, any amount of money will eventually disappear. Most people ask, where should I invest? Billionaires ask, how should I think so every investment I make works in my favor? Secret 2. They don't chase fast money. One of the biggest differences is this: self-made billionaires are not addicted to quick profits. They focus on sustainable cash flow, not short-term excitement. They don't care how much they make today, they care where they'll be 5 years from now. Most people want to get rich overnight. Billionaires want to stay rich forever. Secret 3. They take risks, but never blindly. Contrary to popular belief, billionaires are not gamblers. They take risks, but every risk is calculated. They know the upside, the downside, and the exit plan in advance. Most people jump first, then pray. Billionaires think first, then move. Secret 4. They buy assets, not appearances. A self-made billionaire buys assets before luxury. Most people spend money on cars, clothes, and showing wealth. Billionaires spend money on things that generate more money. Showing wealth is for the poor. Building wealth is for the rich. Secret 5. Patience is their secret weapon. If there's one trait all self-made billionaires share, it's patience. They understand that time works in favor of those who don't rush. Most people quit halfway. Billionaires simply keep going. Not faster than others, just longer. Secret 6. Failure is not a disaster to them. Billionaires don't see failure as the end. They see it as tuition. Every failure is data, not a tragedy. Most people stop at the first failure. Billionaires become sharper with every loss. Secret 7. They focus on building systems, not chasing money. And this is the most important secret of the entire video. Self-made billionaires focus more on building systems than on chasing money. Systems that make money while they sleep, while they travel, even when they're not working. Employees sell time. Billionaires build systems. The real difference between you and a self-made billionaire is not intelligence or luck. It's the way of thinking. And the good news is, mindset can be learned. If you want to think like the wealthy, you need to learn the rules they live by. And if this video shifted your perspective even slightly, this channel is for you. Here, we learn the real rules of money, the mindset of wealth, and the hidden game of investing.